Respected Chief Guest, Chairman Sir, Correspondent Ma'am, esteemed members of the Board of Directors, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, dedicated staff members, beloved parents, and dear students. Good evening to you all. I am Ms. Kavita, Administrator of our institution. And it gives me immense pride and joy to stand before you today to share the legacy, achievements, and exciting journey of our school. Our story began in the year 1986 with just 36 students. Under the victorious leadership of our chairman sir, Sri Kailasam Garu, and correspondent ma'am, Srimati Annapurna Kailasam Garu. Sri Kailasam Garu is revered as a universal guru, a guiding light and mentor for countless families across Jagityal. His wisdom, value, and far-reaching vision laid the foundation for an institution that would go on to inspire generations. From these humble beginnings, we have grown into an institution that embodies academic distinction, values-driven education, and deep commitment to holistic growth. Over the years, we have consistently demonstrated outstanding academic performance. With 3 state ranks in 10th grade, we remain the only school in the region to achieve a hat-trick of state ranks, a true reflection of the unwavering dedication of our educators and the hard work of our students. In addition to academic excellence, our students also achieved exceptional results. In last year, SSC Board of Examinations, with several students securing a perfect 10 by 10 GPA and many others performing remarkably well. We are also proud to share that we are successfully conducting the IIT and NEET Foundation program, laying a strong academic base for our high school students and preparing them for competitive examinations from an early stage. Our students have been shining not just in academics but in extracurriculars as well. We hosted our annual day titled Enchant last year, a grand celebration of talent and creativity that received overwhelming appreciation. In February 2025, we conducted a spectacular sports meet, Udaan, where students from both campuses showcased athletic spirit, sportsmanship, and team spirit. We are thrilled to announce that several of our students were selected to participate at both district and state levels in various sports and games competitions, a proud moment for all of us. Whether it is debates, arts, science fairs, or quizzes, our students have made a mark in every competition organized by media houses and other reputed organizations, earning accolades and recognition for the school. Since last year, we have taken significant step forward. We proudly opened a new branch in Vidyanagar, extending our reach and impact. We also successfully acquired St. John's School, Vidyanagar, a strategic move that led to pride growth. With over 120 new admissions in just a few days following the acquisition. To foster innovation and experiential learning, we launched a multidisciplinary hub ecosystem. M-Hub, which means Media Hub. K-Hub, which means Knowledge Hub. G-Hub, which means Games Hub. T-Hub, which means Technology Hub. Accessible students from both campuses designed to encourage creativity, collaboration, and curiosity. In the past year, we partnered with Bright to integrate AI-powered tools into classroom teaching. Every faculty member has been equipped with tablets to enhance digital learning. We have installed smart TV in every classroom across all campuses, bringing interactive and visual learning to the forefront. We also initiated the construction of a new school campus with the best infrastructure, and we are proud to share that the work is progressing smoothly. And now, as we step into a new chapter, we are proud to introduce the next evolution of our journey, a new institution under the Isha Educational Society, Isha School of Knowledge. Aligned with IB core principles, this school will offer a curriculum that nurtures critical learning, global awareness, and personal development, preparing our students for a truly international future. We have a lot of exciting news to share about our new school. Stay tuned for a series of announcements and updates between May 25th and the first week of June. At Isha, we believe in nurturing not just minds but human potential. We do not just guide students through the journey of learning, we are the destination. Thank you so much. Thank you one and all.